RGB, it's everywhere. RGB mouse, RGB chair, RGB frog. It's beautiful. It makes beautiful colors. You can sync it to Drake music.
She's in love with who I am.
And do all kinds of shit. They make RGB everything. But there's one thing they don't make. What if there was a way to make RGB food?
Oh shit. Alright, now green eggs have gone by many names over the years. Green eggs.
And what else?
Hulk eggs. Gross eggs. But around these parts, we just call them green eggs.
Looks like Wallace and Gromit.
What? Trick to the perfect green eggs.
It's adding fucking green.
Scrambled now. Yeah. Oh my god, that looks actually bad.
Oh.
That looks like, yeah.
Should we put more green or leave
Yeah,
it
let's
like
put more
that?
green, yeah. I should do.
Oh man.
Alright.
These eggs gonna have a secret ingredient. And it's not green. Oh, that looks like piss.
Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good.
Eggs should not smell like that. Green now.
This is gonna be the.
Oh!
That's what he was. Mr. Seuss, the doctor, was talking about.
I don't think you're supposed to burn monster.
I feel like you're not. Like if it like touches heat, like it becomes lethal.
It looks like egg dirt.
Look at that monster boiling.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, this is the best way to start your day.
Editor Justin, please play Jacob Sartorius Sweatshirt.
Girl, you know you wanna flaunt.
So it says the prophecy foretold. All we can do now is prepare.
Now that's monster down to its very essence. Oh shit. There's monster egg burnt to my fucking stove. That's nice. It feels like a plushie, like a stuffy animal, like that has been out in the rain. Definitely give it a dip in the monster. Yeah.
Just one piece?
Or two.
Alright.
This is gonna be really good.
Holy shit, that's some blue fucking bacon. Appeared like behind your hand. I was like, what the?
Yeah, that's really good. Did I finger it? Yeah, we probably should have microwaved it first for sure.
Here we go. Sonic blue.
That's come on down. Do it for the vine.
Okay, I think that might be good.
No. Okay, we're done. Hell yeah.
Why is it white?
Hell yeah, dude. I only eat bacon if it's blue now.
Oh my god.
Once you go blue bacon, you don't go back.
We are just like the rat.
So we got our green eggs, our blue ham.
The RGB meal.
RGB meal. Wait a minute. We've got the G. We've got the B. What about the R?
But what could we make the ah?
What could we make the R? Go ah like LeBron James. Ready? God damn it. Ah. Thank you. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, those look yummy.
Oh, there's like a bit of something in it.
Oh, like a little mystery maybe?
Yeah, like a little mystery, Mitch. I have to get a bit down. You can taste the monster.
Really?
It's really good.
You want to say it's really good again?
And the eggs too. And it's really good. It tastes really good.
Bacon, yeah.
Bacon's just bacon.
Can you taste the blue?
No. These eggs are really good. I really like them. They're actually really good.
Oh, why don't you have the rest?
I'm not finished. Oh, this gamer fuel. Just immaculate. Yeah. So the RGB breakfast. Yeah, probably 11 out of 10.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's really good. Do you wanna have a bite?
I'll bet.
It's really good. You can taste the monster. I'm not joking.
I believe you.
You get that down first try?
Now that tastes like a good day.
It's really good. I've never had anything better.
Also, hello, thank you for watching us make disgusting food. So it's been a month again. I've been busy with things and lots of stuff. Lots of videos that are half done. Very, very cool videos that I'm very excited about, coming very, very soon. Here is a sneak peek of one frame from one of those. Yeah. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. I'm gonna be a lot less busy in the fall, so I'll be able to be a lot more consistent. But yeah, lots of cool stuff coming very, very soon. Speaking of very, very soon, I will be at PAX West this weekend. I don't think I'm big enough for anyone to actually care, but if you happen to be watching this and you happen to be there and you happen to see me, come say hi and get a sticker. I'm gonna be giving away these little funny cat stickers the whole weekend. I have a bunch of them. You can stick them places. You can stick them on your fridge, your computer, the ceiling. But yeah, if I don't see you there, I will see you in the next one.